What if I told you that your greatest rewards in life won't come fast, but they will come strong and last forever? In a quiet village, an impatient farmer gives up on his dreams because the fruit didn't come fast enough. But just across the fence, a wise old gardener shows that with patience, the seeds you plant today can feed you for a lifetime. This is a story about time, effort, and the silent power of waiting. Stay with me because the lesson could change the way you grow your goals. Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills and fertile fields, there lived an impatient farmer named Raghav. He was hardworking, but he always expected quick results. His neighbor, on the other hand, was an old gardener named Dev, who was known for his patience and wisdom. One day, Raghav decided to plant a mango orchard. He went to the market, bought the best saplings, and planted them in neat rows. Every morning, he watered them carefully, applied fertilizer, and waited eagerly for the trees to bear fruit. Weeks passed, then months, but there was no sign of mangoes. Raghav grew frustrated. Why are they taking so long? I have done everything right, he complained to Dev one day. Dev smiled gently and replied, some things in life take time. Mango trees do not give fruit in a few months. They need years of care, sunshine, and patience. Raghav shook his head. I don't have years to wait. I need results now. In his impatience, he abandoned his orchard and chopped down the young trees, deciding instead to plant vegetables that would grow quickly. Meanwhile, Dev continued to care for his own small mango grove, which he had planted many years ago. He tended to his trees daily with love and patience, never rushing nature. Years passed. Raghav made some money from his vegetable crops, but each season required new planting and hard labor. Sometimes pests would ruin his harvest, and other times the weather would not cooperate. He grew weary and tired. One summer afternoon, he walked past Dev's house and was struck by a sweet, fragrant smell. Curious, he peeked over the fence and saw tall mango trees laden with ripe, golden fruit. Birds chirped happily in their branches, and bees buzzed around the blossoms. Dev saw him and called out warmly, come in, Raghav, have some mangoes. As Raghav tasted the delicious fruit, he realized his mistake. I was too impatient. He admitted, I wanted quick success and gave up on what would have lasted a lifetime. Dev patted him on the shoulder and said, patience is the key to lasting rewards. What grows slowly often grows strong and gives fruit for many years. Don't measure success only by speed. From that day on, Raghav changed. He replanted his orchard, this time with patience in his heart. And though the fruits took years to arrive, they were worth every moment of the wait. So, moral of the story is patience and consistent effort lead to long term success. Quick results may satisfy for a while, but true rewards take time too.